I am packing up my stuff and moving out before my fiancé comes home tomorrow. A week ago, he proposed, and I thought I was the happiest woman alive. Now, I'm packing my things and leaving before he gets back. Why did he propose if I wasn't enough? If he didn't love me, I can't even process it. He often travels for work, but this trip felt different. He was staying until Christmas Eve, which was unusual. He also stopped FaceTiming me at night, something we always did. When I tried calling, he said he was too tired and just sent me a goodnight picture of himself in bed. I thought nothing of it, until I saw that same picture on his Instagram. A mutual friend commented, "Is that my name in the reflection? Say hi from me." Confused, I zoomed in. There she was, another woman, reflected in his glasses. I hadn't noticed it when he first sent me the picture, and I doubt he did either. My stomach dropped. I liked the comment and waited. No response. He wasn't online. I didn't know what to do, but I felt like my world was crumbling. I called my mom in tears. She told me to come home, but I refused. I needed to start packing. I stayed up all night, throwing my life into boxes. This morning, my parents and brothers showed up with a moving van. No questions asked. I have never been more grateful for them. He must have seen the comment because he deleted the post. Now, he's called me over 100 times. He's still calling, but I will never answer. I will never give him the chance to explain. He can spend the rest of his life in hotel rooms with as many women as he wants. I no longer care.